Hi, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed. So, listen, you guys. Remember, we were talking about ingane zesithembu, and I told you ukuthi ingane zesithembu ziyabhora. I mean, I'm bored. That's why I don't even do the lives. Ngibhorekile shem. Then you guys agreed with me ukuthi ingane zesithembu ziyabhora, and it should be cancelled because it's already dead. We are waiting for a coffin to bury ingane zesithembu because it's the most boring show right now. Sesibuka because we are very loyal to the Mseleku family. Otherwise, ngaba sayibuka leya show. Now, you guys, okay, before I say what I want to say, I was looking at this picture of Nchangaza. Uzola Nchangaza lo Nozipho's husband or ex-husband. I'm not clear, you guys, if their divorce is finalized or even if nanokuthi nje are they divorcing angazi angekho clear lapho. So I was looking at this picture of Zola and I was like, yabona this picture. Lendoda lena mina, if I saw this picture before Nozipho got married, I would have told it was Nozipho, lendoda le izofuna isithembu. Lendoda eKZN siyawazi amadoda akanje abukeka kanje ukuthi lendoda indoda ezofuna isithembu le. Lendoda lena should not shock you mangabe one day ibuya isifuna isithembu. So we can't do anything with Nozipho, but with you guys who are still to get married, we can save you. So do this. When he proposes, okay, take a picture of him and send it to me. Mina ngizobe sengiyakutshela ukuthi yazini, this one is the one that is going to ask for his temple. This one, because sina siyakwazi ukubabona eKZN ukuthi le ndoda le izocela isithembu yabo. So make sure that before you say yes to that proposal, you send the picture of him to me. Mina I will tell you, I will do this temple DNA on him, and I will tell you to lend dale izofuna temple in the future. So I don't know how Nozipho missed it, but mina had I seen this picture before they got married, I would have told Nozipho, sure, ngoba le ndoda le is temple. Anyway, guys, asikho lapho wena just make sure ukuthi mhlazana usushada uyangisendela isithembu sendoda ngikutshela ukuthi indoda izofuna isithembu or not, and then you can make the right decision for you and your future kids. Now, you guys, with ingane zesithembu being so boring now, I thought Umusa Mseleku should call Uzola, call Uzola and say, listen, Mr. Nchangaza, are you back from the honeymoon? Okay, you're back, all right. No, I was thinking that we have a meeting. Then Uzola uzoza kwi-meeting ngoba uzobe ecabanga ukuthi Umusa wants him in the meeting so that he can shake his hand and say, hey, ndoda yamadoda, wathatha isithembu. Yeah, that's what you do, yabo, eze Uzola. Mayefika laphayana Uzola, ulona Umusa avule i-laptop uthi no, let's talk. Bese yabona Uzola ukuthi oh no, it's about business. It's about business. And then bese ethi-ke Umusa, lalela-ke baba, ngine-show la iy'ngane zami yabona, it's called iy'ngane zesithembu. So iy'ngane zami nje yabo ziyaphila nje impilo yazo, zikhombisa abantu ukuthi how is it like to be iy'ngane that come from isithembu yabo. Manje ama-viewers ami have been complaining ukuthi ishow yami iyabhora. And I've been seeing ukuthi wena nefamily yakho you are trending, and especially your daughter is trending, and over there on Instagram give abantu igaxa zabo. So I thought ukuthi your older sons and your daughter can join the show yabo. At the same time yabo bazobe spend isikhathi with my kids learning ukuthi uhanglisha kanjani to be first in the limelight and secondly to be in isithembu yabo. They will hang out with them, share ama tips yabo. At the same time tina we are entertaining the viewers. I'm hoping ukuthi le drama le ingane yakho eyenzayo lapha ku Instagram, she will do the same on the show. And then Uzola is like, hey mfethu, hayi angiboni kahle Mseleku, uyabona nje mina ngithanda yonke lento ye-limelight. That's why ngimshiya uNozipho, because Nozipho likes being in the limelight. Mina ngifuna nje ukuyishadela ngidlalele nonkosikazi wami emakhaya. Then Umusa Mseleku is like, hayi, you are already famous, whether you like it or not. People are following you. People are following Miss Okuhle, your wife. People are following your kids. Vele already they know your business. So you might as well make money with your business. Yabo. Then Musa Mseleku siyabuza ukuthi, ay, but besides business kuhamba kanjani nje ekhaya yabona, how's it going? Athi angazi Mseleko, mina bengithi ngenza isithembu manje uNozipho is gone. Now I only have one wife. So I'm thinking, what is the point of me wanting isithembu? Because now I'm ending up with one wife. I wanted two wives, now I only have one. Athi Musa Mseleko, no, don't worry, my man. Don't worry. That's what happened to me. Mayeni left me. Mayeni left me. By the time she came back, there was Macele and Makumalo. So when I focus on your focus, look for the next wife, uzobona Nozipho would come back. Nozipho would come. Ask me, Mayeni came back now. Athi ngempela, athi yes, Mayeni came back. So don't worry, Nozipho will come back. When I focus on looking for the next one, yabo. Say no, I can see the vision. Okay, so okay, let's get back to business. Now get the kids, yabona, they'll be hanging out, they'll be taking ama-trips together, and nabo-ke bakhuluma ukuthi basifuna yini isithembu noma basifuni, they'll be dating on the show, all of that, yabona leyo nto. And then ishow ibe mnandi, me and you senze imali, but-ke ngeke ngikufake as the producers ngoba I'm too greedy. I don't want people to co-produce with me, yabo. But-ke iy'ngane zakho phela zizothola imali, yabo. So instead, uyabona nje umnengane ezu-8 ama-allowances amangaki lawo, uzothi cut on the allowances ngoba now they'll be doing a show. So you won't need to be paying so many allowances. You will just, make sure that they show up for the show, bakhokhelwe. Ayathi uNtshangase yazini. No. I see where you are going with this. You know what? I need to call the many baby mamas because, the kids in mama bahlukene. I have to call all of the baby mamas, and ask them because you know how it's like. You know how the baby mamas are like, So let me call them and see if they're okay with this. But I'll get back to you. But I see the vision, especially when you are talking about the allowances. I can see how that can help. It's like, yeah. And also, if your sons are hanging out with Pomelelo, they might see, which this tempo is not that bad, yabon. And, and then get all of the anger that they have against you, for disrupting the family, they will get therapy on the show. Then they're like, yeah, no problem. And I'll call you, and they're like, no, call me before the next season, because we are supposed to start shooting somewhere around October-ish, November-ish. We are supposed to start shooting, so make sure that you call me back. It's like, oh, okay, all right, manje Musa uMsokuhle na uzofaneka vele yini on the show. It's up to you. Even me, some of my wives, they appear on the show, some of them they don't appear on Ingane Zesithembu. So it's up to her. If ufuna ukuvela phela, angithi vele ulingana nabo laba bakuIngane Zesithembu. UMsokuhle ulingana nabo. Uma wabo but ulingana nabo. Hey, you know what we can do, Ntshangase? Let's take our younger wives, yabo, and put them on the show. Yabona. So mina, I will put Makwela on the show when you put Msokuhle on the show. You see the mix, because they are the same age as them. So me and you would appear now and then. Yeah, just to check ukuthi things are going right on the show. And then Ntshangase said, yeah, no, I see the vision. I know. Bese beyaphuza itiye. Phela uNtshangase usonta kaShemba akuphuza utshwala kaShemba. Noma usamsele kuhleze esho uthina akabuthanda utshwala. You see, it's a perfect friendship, this one. So they shake hands and they're like, no, contact her. So we'll talk. And then Ntshangase is like, no, I see the vision. Let's go. Bahambe baye kwi-parking lot sebeyongena ey'motweni zabo. Mabafika kwi-parking lot uMsele kuyamangala ukuthi hawu uNtshangase udrive imoto enhle kuneyakhe, but uye ofanele ngabe u-rich, but uNtshangase udrive imoto enhle kunekaMseleko. Ayibuke le nto uMseleko athi hayi, but hey, let me focus. And then they go their separate ways. You see, guys, this is a solution to Ingane Zesithembu, the boring show that they gave us this season. Musa Mseleko must call Ntshangase. Done deal. Okay. Now let me continue looking for the other, because I'm casting for them now, because they're doing a bad job now. We are casting for them. We are going to help them to cast for the next season. Otherwise, we are not watching that boring show. We are quitting. Okay. So here is one idea here. So you guys go into the comment section. Nisho nani ukuthi le idea le niyayisupport yabo. Ngoba siya protesta manje ukuthi Ingane Zesithembu they must do something, or we are not watching the next season. Okay, they must not play with us. Nangu Ntshangase lana ingane zakhe, take the boys and the girl here, put them on the show faka umise okuhle futhi nayo ingane leyana, and then isho uqhubeke. Hhayi, awuthi ngiqhubeke nomsebenzi-ke manje.